Hi everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you're doing well today. Happy Friday. Today, this is called Leftover Friday. You heard it right, Leftover Friday. I'm sure a lot of you artists out there have paints that you have a little dab here and a little dab there, and before you know it, you have cups and cups of leftover paint. That's what I have, and today I'm going to use them up on this 12 by 16 staple back canvas. And I'm not even going to go over all the colors of paints because I have no idea if they, what brand they are. A few of them I can recognize, most of them I can't. I do know that I put a light coat of navy paint around my edges and my corners, and I see that there's probably silicone in it. Cells are already popping up. And again, some of these paints have silicone in them, some don't. Some are mixed with Floetrol, some are mixed with glue and water mixture. So it's Leftover Friday. Let's get started. I'm just going to do a puddle pour and take it from there. I might do a few extra things, but just want to use up these paints. And I'll tell you there's a story behind Leftover Friday. We have a friend, my husband and I, that we went to high school with, and we've remained friends with all these years. And when he was growing up, his father was the cook in the family. And he would cook during the week, and on Friday, he would take all the leftovers from the refrigerator, throw them together in a pan and warm them up. And that was called Leftover Friday. And our friend said sometimes the food was really good and sometimes not so good. So when I was thinking of this, I thought, hey, I remember our friend's dad. He was a great man. And I'm going to call this one Leftover Friday. I don't know how this is going to turn out. But you fellow artists out there know that that's kind of refreshing. Let's just have some fun. If it turns out to be a disaster, just got to go with the flow. Puddle pours are one of my favorites to do. They're easy. I like puddle pours because the paint colors stay vibrant. I've mentioned this before in my videos. You're not mixing them up in the same cup like a dirty pour, where the colors could mesh so much that it may dull them or make mud. Puddle pour, you're just pouring them one right on top of the other. And as you can see, I have quite a variety of color here today. Some more purple. This is very dark. And this one, if I had to guess, would be Artist Loft Metallic Leaf Green. I do know that one. And I'm pretty sure that this has silicone in it by the reaction. If you watch some of my other puddle pours, you'll know that sometimes I run a skewer through them. I was thinking about maybe using some chains on these today. And we have some red. And this very dark navy blue. A little bit more red, a different color red, and I would have to guess, I think Artist Loft makes a metallic red, and I would have to say, I bet that's what this is. Looks like it. Very pretty color. A little bit different than the other red that I just laid down. Someone who just watched one of my videos said that it looks like I have fun doing what I do here. And I do. I enjoy doing this every day I can. Very relaxing. And with this type of painting, as you know, the result is always a surprise. Sometimes a very good surprise, sometimes not so good. But like everything else, we have to take the good with the bad, bad with the good, and just keep on going. Many of the artists I watch, that is their philosophy. It's only paint. That's a good one to remember. If you're just starting out doing YouTube videos and a little bit nervous about it or unsure of yourself, just remember that it's only paint. This is copper. I have no idea the brand on it, but it does look like a very nice copper. And I'm just about getting to the end of where I'm needing paint. Let's see what else colors I have here. Yeah, a little more color here and there. And my doggie is right under my feet again today. Starting to snore here. I'm going to use up this rest of this very, very dark purple here. Okay, I think that's about it. Those leftovers are going to have to be for another day. And I think I'm going to torch first. See what we get out of here. Not a lot of cells coming up, but that's okay. And I'm going to tilt now. I did try and make the paints pretty much all the same consistency. Just added water to them because I know some of them have been sitting there for a bit. Okay, there are a few cells coming up here. Looks like the red may have been reactive a little. And some of the yellow. I'm going to torch again here and see what we get. Okay, and I am going to use my chain on this. A couple of chains. I will start out with the about the medium-sized ball chain here. And just drag it through. See what it does. Just break up some of the more plain areas here. Try and leave some of the cells that have popped up here. Okay. I'll take a smaller chain here. one more here. Okay. Check the bottom here in the corner. So that's just one way using up your extra paints. Now some people just save them and put them in a cup and then just do like a dirty cup pour. That's another way. I'm going to give it another torch here. Said we did get some cells up. Okay, I'll get you down for a close-up. Okay, we have the upper left-hand corner. This is where most of the cells came out. There's some of that metallic green, that deep purple, bright orange. There's the lower left-hand corner. I'll just take you up the middle here. This is very interesting in here. A few more cells there. Colors are pretty vibrant in there. Ah, that's really cool right there. And the upper right hand corner, a lot of copper going on there. And here is the lower right hand corner. So let me know what you think. This was fun to do. Again, just a way to use your leftover paints. Leftover Friday. So let me know what you think and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, everybody, take care. Thank you for watching. Have a good weekend. Bye.